In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text-to-speech on CapCut, whether you want to add a professional voiceover to your videos or simply experiment with AI-generated speech. CapCut makes it easy and accessible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform written text into natural-sounding audio, and you can customize it to fit the tone of your project. If you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to download the app and get started. Now let's dive in. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're in, you'll want to start fresh by selecting the New Project option or whichever button allows you to open an empty workspace. Starting from a blank canvas is important because it ensures you're not distracted by any edits or settings from previous projects. This way, you can focus entirely on creating your text-to-speech voiceover. Next, look for the Text button. On most versions of CapCut, you'll find this option either at the bottom of the screen or along the side, depending on your device layout. Tap on it, and a text box will appear, ready for you to start typing. Go ahead and type the message or script you want to convert into speech. Remember, this is the text that will be used for the voiceover, so take a moment to make sure it's clear and exactly what you want to hear spoken aloud. Once you've entered your text, you can adjust its size or style if needed. This step isn't just about aesthetics. It's about ensuring the text is easy to read and properly formatted. While the AI will only convert the written content into speech, having a clean and clear text layout can help you avoid mistakes or misinterpretations later on. Now, here's the exciting part. Look for the text-to-speech option. It's usually located near the text editing controls, so keep an eye out for it in the same area where you're adjusting the text. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a list of AI voice options to choose from. Depending on your project, you can select from voices like female voice 1, male voice 2, or even specialized voice styles. Take your time here, experiment with different voices to find the one that matches the tone and personality you're going for. For example, a softer voice might work well for storytelling, while a more energetic tone could suit an engaging tutorial. Once you've chosen the voice that fits your project, confirm your selection by clicking the appropriate button. At this point, CapCut will begin processing your text into speech. You might notice a loading sign appear on your screen. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The processing time can vary depending on your device's performance or your internet speed, so just be patient for a moment while the app generates the voiceover. Now, it's important to note that the text-to-speech feature in CapCut does require the Pro plan. If you're using the free version of the app, you may see a prompt to upgrade. If you plan to use this feature regularly, it might be worth considering the trial or subscription options to unlock the full functionality of the app. Once the voiceover is ready, you'll see it integrated into your project. From here, you can fine-tune its placement to align it perfectly with your video. You can also mix it with other audio elements, such as background music or sound effects, to create a polished final product. If needed, you can even apply audio effects to adjust the voiceover sound further, giving you complete creative control. And that's it. You've just learned how to use text-to-speech on CapCut, from typing your message to customizing the AI voice and integrating the audio into your project. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.